In this video, I'll show you how to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead over to your Snapchat app. Now, once you're in here, make sure that you are on the messages tab. Alright, just tap on the message icon right here and you will be landed to this exact page. Now, once done, just go ahead and look for the person that you want to unfriend. Say, for example, I'm going to tap on this person right here. Now, once done, we're going to want to tap on his profile or the profile name. Tap. Now in here, as you can see, there is no unfriend button. To be able to unfriend, just go ahead and tap on the three dots right here at the top right. Tap on it. In this section, just go ahead and tap on Manage Friends. All right, tap on it. And here you have several options. As you can see here, you can go ahead and block, report, edit display name, or remove friend. All right, just tap on Remove Friend and you'll be prompted, are you sure you want to remove the person as a friend? All right, just go ahead and hit on remove if you're really sure that you wanted to unfriend the person. And once done, you won't be able to see the person in the chat section again. That's how you unfriend someone on Snapchat. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.